Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will explore 10 amazing foods that can help support your liver's health. The liver is one of our body's most vital organs, and its proper functioning is essential for overall health. The liver is crucial in filtering toxins and clearing metabolic waste from our bodies. It is also responsible for producing bile during the digestion process, energy metabolism, and nutrient absorption. However, over time, the liver itself can be exposed to toxin accumulation and functional impairments. Therefore, regular liver cleansing is essential. Liver cleansing facilitates toxin filtration and maintains a healthy metabolism. Failure to cleanse the liver can lead to serious health issues such as fatty liver disease, liver cancer, gallstones, inflammation, and immune system disorders. Now, let's learn about the foods you should prefer to cleanse your liver and maintain its health. Artichoke. Artichoke improves digestion by stimulating bile production in the liver. It also supports the detoxification process in the liver and enhances the elimination of toxins. Artichoke is rich in antioxidants, protecting liver cells from free radicals. The compound found in artichoke is called silymarin, also known as a supplement used to improve liver health. Silymarin helps regenerate liver cells and promotes the healing of damaged cells. Cruciferous vegetables. Vegetables from the cruciferous family are rich in glucosinolates, which support the liver's natural detoxification process. Vegetables like cauliflower, broccoli, cabbage, and Brussels sprouts efficiently filter toxins in the liver, supporting healthy liver function. Garlic. Garlic contains sulfur-containing compounds essential for liver health. These compounds enhance the activity of detoxification enzymes in the liver and support its battle against toxins. Additionally, garlic protects liver cells with its antioxidant properties. Olive oil. Olive oil stands out among healthy fats and contains numerous beneficial components that assist in liver cleansing. Olive oil supports the liver's fat metabolism, is rich in antioxidants, and helps protect liver cells. Green tea. Green tea is abundant in polyphenols and antioxidants. These compounds optimize the liver's detoxification process and increase the activity of liver enzymes. Green tea also aids the liver in combating oxidative stress. Apple. Apple is a source of pectin, a fiber that helps cleanse the liver. Pectin supports the transport of toxins in the liver to the intestines for elimination. The antioxidants in apples also contribute to liver health. Blueberry. Blueberries are rich in antioxidants and help increase the activity of antioxidant enzymes in the liver, promoting a healthy liver. Additionally, they optimize the liver's detoxification process. Spinach. Spinach contains folate, iron, and various vitamins and minerals essential for liver health. These nutrients increase the activity of detoxification enzymes in the liver and support the elimination of toxins. Spinach also has antioxidant properties. In addition, leafy green vegetables are rich in chlorophyll, which optimizes the liver's detoxification process, enhancing the elimination of toxins in the body. Lemon. Lemon is a vitamin C-rich fruit that aids in liver cleansing. Lemon juice stimulates bile production in the liver, supporting the digestion process. Furthermore, lemon protects liver cells with its antioxidant properties. Almond. Almonds are rich in vitamin E and healthy fats. Vitamin E helps the liver combat oxidative stress and protects liver cells. Almonds are also packed with liver-supporting nutrients. In this video, we have explored 10 amazing foods that cleanse your liver and understood the significance of maintaining liver health. If you enjoyed this video, please show your support by hitting the like button. Also, Feel free to share this valuable information with your health-conscious friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to keep your health in check and maintain a clean liver. You can find numerous informative videos about healthy living, nutrition, and more on our track. Let's create a community that values health. Feel free to share your experiences and questions in the comments section. Together, let's take steps towards a healthier life. Love your health and liver, and stay healthy.